Hello everyone, welcome to 24 NEET. This is the fourth part of formula series and is about the graph problems too. Before watching this video, watch the video all graphs of motion in 1D by clicking on I button. After that, you can solve the problem what it will take in today as an example of previous video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Remember this trick and you will solve all problems like this. Look. If this is increases like this, if a graph is like this, it form like this in another level and like this in another level and like this in the next level. If it is ST, so its VT is like this and it is like this. If this is ST, so its VT is like this and it is like this, and if it is ST, so its VT is like this. Okay, concentrate on here. If the graph is like this, so at the next level it appears like this, and at the next level it appears it's like this. Okay, it is about increasing. For the decreasing, if the graph is like this or like this, so if this is ST graph, so its VT is like this and its AT is like this, and at the next level is like this. Okay, if it is like this at ST level, so its VT level is like this and AT level is like this. I think you can understand. So if the condition on VT graph, so the AT graph is like this. By this trick you can easily solve all the problems. Let's take an example. Okay, that is ST graph. ST. Okay, so if we'll draw VT graph of this condition, so this type of line draw like this in VT graph. Here displacement increases, so here velocity is constant. Here displacement constant, so here velocity is 0, and at the next level displacement increases, so the velocity is increases like this. This according to trick which I told you. So and all the problem of graph of motion in one dimension will solve like this. Practice other MCQs like this from your book and solve these problems within seconds. If you have any doubt, then ask me. I'll try to solve all your problems. We will meet in my next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.